Hey, please. Come see. Where we go? Literally.
Finally. You don't use the bad one enter. For pushing that picture like that.
Wait. If you say I know see my papa will later that for don't use and do ritual.
What?
Cut. This is not what is in the script. Somebody told you that your father died. I want to see your reaction. I want to see your cry. Be serious.
I need to no stress me. And usually I know be serious country.
I want to see you cry. Somebody told you that your father just died. I want to see you cry. Cry.
You be mumu.
Where do you bring this boy? See, this is the last time I'll tell you to do this. Now, let's take it again. Action. Show me your tears. I want to see your tears. Cry.
Okay, I should cry.
Yes.
Okay. Bring water. Oh, thank you.
I said you should cry.
Okay.
That's it.